Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to cover the puzzles questions which were asked in Infosys on 16th 5 2021. Okay, so friends, that means yesterday examination. Friends, one more thing I wanted to say you. So the questions were different for the different people. I mean that there were different sets, so you might not get the questions whatever we are going to discuss today. So I am going to discuss total 19 questions, and friends, this question will definitely give you a idea that how exactly you need to tackle the questions in the examination. Okay, so let us start with the question number 1. So friends, question number 1, we have 35 here, then 27, 43, right? 30 to 30, 46, 51 watt and 61. So friends, if we'll multiply this 3 into 5, okay, plus if we'll multiply this 4 into 3, so it will become 15 plus 12 will be equal to 27. Okay, so friends, only the puzzles were little challenging in Infosys exam, where you need to do some hit and trial to solve this question. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into 6. Okay, so 3 into 2 will be 6 and 24. So 6 plus 24 will be equal to 30, right? Okay, so this is the logic. Then 5 into 1 plus 6 into 1. So 5 into 1 will be 5 and 6 into 6 will be 6. So 5 plus 6 will be 11. That means option A will be the correct answer. So friends, I will be, see, basically what will happen. So we have this kind of a limited 2-digit number. So either we need to add these digits or multiply this digit or a square. So friends, either you have to add or you have to subtract or you have to multiply or you have to square, right? So friends, you need to have a better practice on this puzzles question, then only you can do better in the exam. There is no other way. So there is no fixed logic. You need to find out the logics and you need to solve multiple question so that when you see the question, that logic comes to your mind. Okay, now friends, in this particular question we have 4 rows. So generally these 3 rows, you can say this 3 in one column, right? So these 3 columns will give you this fourth one. So we have 5 plus 4, right? So we are adding this to 5 plus 4 is 9, and if we multiply by 2 it will become 18. Then 6 plus 3, so 6 plus 3 will be 9. 9 into 3 will be 27. Then 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 will be 16, and if we multiply by 6 it will become 96. So what did we fill here? 6. That means this option you need to select. So friends, this particular question was of 2 marks, the previous question was of 3 marks. So in your Infosys exam, for puzzles you will be getting different marks. So 2 marks and 3 marks questions will be there. Now the next 3 marks question, find the missing number x and y in the grid given alongside. Okay, so you have 1 3, so there is a gap of 2, there is a gap of 2. Then 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 plus 4 is 16. There is a gap of 4. Then so here we can see 19 plus 6 will be 25. So here also there should be a gap of 6. So 7 plus 6 will be what? 13. And then you can automatically see 13 plus 6 will be what? 19. So definitely starting with 3 will be your answer. Then 10 plus 8 is 18. Again 18 plus 8, because the difference is constant. Difference is 2, difference is 4, difference is 6. So the difference is nothing but constant. So 18 plus 8 is 26, and 26 plus 8 will be 34. So 18 and 13 and 26, right? So here we fill 13 and here we fill 26. That means option D here we will be selecting as the correct answer for 3 marks. Then next problem. So this is 34. So as I said, this 3 will give you this 34. This 3 will give you this 24. This 3 will give you this particular one. So 6 into 5 will be 30, and 30 plus 4 will be 34, right? Okay. Then 3 into 7. 3, these two you multiply. 3 into 7 will be 21, and add 3. So it will be nothing but 24. Then 4 into 6. So 4 into 6 will be 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2 will be 26. So Answer will be 26. Okay, so friends, these problems were not very difficult, but yes, it was little challenging. You should have done enough practice for this kind of problems. Okay, now friends, here we could see, so here what they have done, 4 and 64. So 4 and 64 will be nothing but 4 cube. 4 cube will be 64. 6 and 6 cube will be what? 216. 1 and 1 cube will be what? 1. Okay. So this should be understandable, right? And 4 into 2 will be 8. 6 into 2 will be 12. And 1 into 2 will be 2. Here also same thing. So 9 into 2 will be 18, and 9 cube will be nothing but 729. So my answer will be 729 and 18, right? So option D again you had to select here. So square, cube, all those things were required. Okay, so for this particular problem they had awarded 2 marks. Then find the missing number in the grid given alongside. So this is nothing for 3 marks. Okay, now so friends, 7 is there, so 7 is square minus, as I said, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or difference. So 7 is square minus 2 is square, right? 2 is there. So 49 minus 4 will be equal to 45, right? Okay, then 10 square minus 1 square will be nothing but 99. And then 11 square minus 1 square. So 121 minus 1 will be nothing but 120. So logically, the answer here is 99. You could have just ticked the answer. So remember, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and square. These are the three things which you have to use to get the problem done. Okay, then friends, here if you'll see, so 17 plus 4, there is a gap of 4, there is a gap of 4, there is a gap of 4. Then here, so there is a gap of minus 16, gap of minus 16, and here also it should be a gap of minus 16. So 110 plus 16 will be nothing but 126. So 126, is there any option? Yes, option A is the correct answer, and this problem will be also there for 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so minimum 2 and maximum 3 marks questions from the number puzzles were there in the examination. Okay, then find the missing number in the grid given alongside. So friends, you see, as I said, either add, subtract, right? Same thing you have to do. So 2 plus 4 will be what? So 2 plus 4 will be 6, and make a square of this. It will be 36. Then 3 plus 6 is what? 3 plus 6 is 9. Make a square of that. It will become 81. Same thing. So 4 plus what number? A square will make you 49. So that is nothing but 7 square. 7 square will be 49. So here you should be, it should be 3. So option B will be the correct answer for this particular problem. Then, okay, so this is for 3 marks. So 1, 4, 16. Okay, so friends, as I said, remember addition, subtraction, multiplication, and square, only 4 things. So here 1 square and plus 4 square. So 1 square plus 4 square will be what? So it will be 1 plus 16, that is nothing but 17, but here it is 16. So now you subtract 17 minus 1 is 16. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a square of this, 3 square plus 5 square, and then subtract 1. So 34 minus 1 will be 33. Done. Okay, then 4 square plus 7 square, and then subtract 1 from this. So 16 plus 49. So it will be nothing but 65 minus 1 will be 64. Then 2 square plus 5 square minus 1. So 4 plus 25, that is nothing but 29 minus 1 will be equal to 28. So 28 means this particular option will be the correct answer, right? 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25. So 29 minus 1 will be 28. Okay. So this was for how many marks, friends? Again, 3 marks. Not very difficult problem. Practice, practice, and practice is required. Okay. Find the missing number in the grid alongside. Okay, so friends, you see this is 22, right? And this is 23. So 22, okay, 22 plus 22 plus 2 minus 1, the remaining numbers we are subtracting. So this will become 23. This row completed. Then see, as I said, the fourth one will be using this. Then this you will see 40 plus 5 minus 2, the remaining one. So it will be 40 plus 3, 43. Then we could see here it will be what? 30 plus 3 minus what? So that it will become 32. So if it will be 1 here, right? Then 30 plus 2 will become what? 32. So here what we need? Here we need 1. So option 1 will be the correct answer. You need to analyze it, right? And then you need to do it. So friends, making the video is very, very tough. As I said, the summer has come now. Okay. Now, so given the set of 9 numbers that relate to each other in a certain way, determine the missing number in the second set. Again, 3 marks question. Okay. So friends, in this, the logic is, see, 8 into 2. So 8 into 2 is what? 16. And if we'll subtract 10, what we will get? 6. So from this row, 6. Then 6 into, I am multiplying this to 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 6 will be 6. Then here 6 into 1. See, you need to find out a common pattern between them. I have also told you. So for one question, there might be more than one pattern. You do not have to worry about that. Then here 5 into 1 minus 1 will be 4. Then here 6 into 1 minus 2 will be 4. That means from this row also we want 4. So it will be nothing but this and this. So 2 into, definitely this should be 4. So 2 into 4 will be 8. And then if I'll subtract 4, I'll be getting 4. So option B, 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. Friends, if you are not able to understand in one go, then you can just, uh, watch it once again. Your concept will get clear. Okay. Nothing much is there. Nothing great is there. 9 into 7 will be what? 63. 8 into 6 will be what? 48. 7 into 5 will be what? 35. And definitely see, into 7, into 6, into 5. Now it will be into 4. So 4 into 4 will be what? Definitely it will be 4 here, right? So definitely it will be, I'm sorry, so it will be 16 here, right? See, 9, 7 ja 63, 8, 6 ja 48, 7, 5 ja. So here it will be what? Into 4. So 4 into 4 will be 16. And our answer will be what here? This missing number will be 16. 16 will be the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay. Then friends, so this is for 2 marks. As we know, so if we have 4 rows, then these 3 rows will be giving uh, as the fourth row, right? The fourth row will be result of this 3 row. So what I will do, as I said, square, add, multiply or subtract, right? So 5 is square plus 2 is square plus 1. So 25 plus 4, 29 plus 1 will be 30. Done. Then 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. So it will be 9 plus 16, 25, and plus 25 will be equal to what? 50. This is what is given. Then 7 square plus 1 square plus 5 square. So 49 plus 150 and plus 25 will be 75. Friends, so I will solve all the puzzles question asked in Infosys exam. So if you really want me to solve all the question, do comment below, like and share with your friends so that everybody will get benefited, right? Okay. So again, a 2 marks question here for you. So 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, and 5 into 4 is what? 20. Okay. So this is going in a logic, right? So I'm sorry, 5 into 4. So 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, and 5 into 4 will be what? 20. Then, so this is a logic. 4 into 2 will be 8, 4 into 3 is 12. Then definitely here 2, here 3. So here we will be having 4. So what number I should place here? 7. Then only 7 into 4 will be what? 28. So option B will be the correct answer for this particular problem, right? So this is a very good question for 3 marks. Okay, let us see. So 4, 4, 10. So what I will do, first number square plus second number I will add, and then I will divide it by 2. So 16 plus 4, 20 by 2 will be 10. Square and addition this is. Okay, then 5 square plus 5. So 25 plus 5, 30. 30 by 2 will be what? 30 by 2 will be 15. Then 6 square plus 6, so divide by 2. So 36 plus 6, right? 42 by 2 will be 21. Okay, this is done. Then 8 square plus 8 divided by 2. 64 plus 8, 72 by 2. That is nothing but 36. Then last one. So 9 square plus 9 divided by 2. So 81 plus 9 will be 90 by 2, right? So 90 by 2 will be 45. So option this, right? So option this will be the correct answer, right? So 45 will be the correct answer. Okay. Then again, there is a question for 2 marks. So 8, 3, 21. So 8 into 3. Friends, this particular question was asked from our video. So whatever our Infosys videos we have released in our courses, so you can go and check. So this problem was directly from our material. So 8 into 3 will be 24 minus 3. So multiply with 3 and then subtract 3. Then 6 into 5 will be 30. 30 minus 5 will be 25. And then 12 into 2 will be 24, minus 2 will be 22. So here 22, option B will be the correct answer, right? So friends, you are seeing this many questions, we have solved it, and definitely it will give you a lot of idea. Okay, so this is wrong answer. We will see what is the logic. So friends, 18 plus 16 is what? 34. 21 plus 19 is what? 40. Same thing here. 24 plus 22 is 46. 21 plus 25 is 46. Okay, then what about this middle one? So 41 plus 35. So 41 plus 35 will be what? 76. But here it is 152. So they have multiplied by 2. It is nothing but 152. And if you subtract 2, you will be getting 150. Here also 47 plus, definitely one number we need to add it. 46, right? So we will add it and then multiply by 2 and minus 2. So 6, 7, 13, 93 into 2, right? Minus 2. So this will be 2 threes are 6 and 186 minus 2 will be 184. So we just need to get this logic, right? Add, multiply by 2 and subtract 2. So 46 will become the correct answer. 46 will be here and then only you will be able to get that middle value, right? This is how we got it here. Okay, friends. So there is one more problem and this is for 3 marks. So if you see 9 into 5, so 9 is multiplied by 5, 45 is multiplied by 3, and 9 is multiplied by 15 here. Okay, similar way. So A we can calculate it, and then 45 is multiplied by what number? So 945. If we'll divide by 45, so 45 into 2 will be 90, and then one time. That means nothing but 21 times. So here also it follows the same. This is multiplied by 3, this is multiplied by 5, then definitely this will be multiplied by 21 and this is multiplied by 15. So 65 into 21. 65 into 2 will be 130 with one more 0 and 65 1 just 65. So 1365. 1365, we have only one option. So we got the value of A 1365. Then you do not have to break your head on option B because they're asking about A and B. So A we have only one option 1365, right? Okay. So friends, we have done 18 to 19 problem, and I hope all this problem will help you to understand how the Infosys had asked the puzzles, and question number 2, sorry, marks 2, marks 3 marks, 2 marks were allotted for one of the questions, and definitely so 2 and 3 marks means the questions will be little tricky, but it is not very difficult. Just practice, and if you really want me to make more videos on Infosys puzzles, then I'll be always there for you. And do not say sir those questions were not there in my shift. That is the reason I have taken a screenshot here, so that you will realize that this question is from the Infosys exam only, right? The other thing is it might not have come to your shift, it might not have come to your paper because there were different sets and different questions for many of the students. Okay, thank you friends, keep sharing, keep loving, and we will be keep working very much hard for you guys.